Glaucoma is termed as the silent thief of sight because it is irreversible once diagnosed. Although the most common forms primarily affect the middle-aged and the elderly, glaucoma can affect people of all ages. Optometrist Josiah Ambrose says even though the disease is asymptomatic, there are some signs and symptoms to look out for depending on the type of glaucoma that one has.
The major cause of glaucoma, or the most common type of glaucoma, I would say, is rather primary open-angle glaucoma. And that glaucoma usually presents without the symptoms. Now, there are other types of glaucoma that will present with symptoms, such as close-angle glaucoma. You'll get like pain in the eyes, you'll see halos around lights, the vision will start to change as well in terms of getting hazy and stuff. So there are a few signs and symptoms you could look out for, but for the majority of cases, routine examinations is what's necessary.
Early detection is crucial, and the recommendation is screening every 2 years for younger individuals and 6 months to 1 year for those over the age of 40, especially those with conditions like cardiovascular disease. Mr. Ambrose adds although prevention can be recommended, it is only through screening that one can be certain.
I would say it's usually best to come, get the eye exams done. In terms of the progression of the glaucoma and everything, when you come and have your eye exams done every 9 months or every year, we could determine whether we will increase the treatment in inverted commas in terms of eye drops, or if some more advanced treatment will be needed in terms of like surgeries.
He stresses the severity of the disease is dependent on how one manages it, debunking the myth of going blind once diagnosed.
So you could outlive your eyes, and then in some cases where you do manage it, there are instances where you do get blind. Now, for some patients who actually are diagnosed with glaucoma right now, they're actually taking the opportunity to use their diagnosis in different ways, right, to educate people around them.
The World Health Organization estimates that 4.5 million people worldwide are blind due to glaucoma. I'm Karen Kozia Phillip with your TTT News Health Check.